Hello, beautiful women. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: embracing your incredible self through style. We're talking about chic dressing for curvy women over 40, a journey of confidence and celebration. This isn't just about clothes, it's about a core philosophy. It's about embracing the confidence that comes with knowing who you are. It's about celebrating a body that has lived, loved, and carried you through so many wonderful experiences. Your style should reflect your journey and your inner radiance. We're here to empower you to feel absolutely fabulous every single day. Let's unlock the secrets to a wardrobe that truly works for you. Our key principles for today are simple yet powerful. First, we'll focus on finding pieces that genuinely flatter your unique shape. Second, we'll ensure your clothes fit you perfectly, making you feel comfortable and elegant. Third, we'll explore how to reflect your personal style in every outfit. Finally, we'll strike that perfect balance between sophistication and everyday comfort. Get ready to transform your wardrobe and your outlook. Let's start with a true wardrobe hero, the wrap dress. This piece is universally flattering, a genuine game changer for every body type, especially for curvy figures. It's designed to highlight your best features effortlessly. The adjustable tie cinches at your natural waist, creating a beautiful defined silhouette. This clever design instantly creates that coveted hourglass shape, enhancing your curves in all the right places. It's pure magic. When choosing a wrap dress, consider rich colors like emerald green, sapphire blue, or deep burgundy. Bold prints can also be incredibly striking, adding personality and flair to your look. Don't shy away from patterns that speak to you. Look for luxurious fabrics that drape beautifully, such as soft jersey, elegant silk, or a comfortable knit. These materials will flow gracefully over your curves, providing both comfort and sophistication. They feel wonderful against your skin. Styling a wrap dress is wonderfully versatile. Pair it with elegant heels for a polished, sophisticated look, perfect for an evening out. For a more relaxed yet chic vibe, opt for stylish flats or even ankle boots. Next, let's talk about the power of tailored separates. Investing in well-fitting, high-quality separates is a smart move for any wardrobe. These pieces offer endless versatility and elevate your entire look. A tailored blazer is an absolute must-have. Choose classic neutral colors like navy, black, or camel for maximum versatility. These timeless shades will seamlessly integrate into your existing wardrobe. A well-structured blazer instantly elevates any outfit, transforming it from casual to chic in seconds. It adds a touch of professionalism and polish, making you feel instantly put together. It's a confidence booster. You can pair your blazer with dark wash jeans for a smart casual look that's perfect for daytime. For a more refined ensemble, combine it with tailored trousers or a sleek pencil skirt. The options are limitless. For your top, consider a crisp white button-down shirt for a timeless, sophisticated appeal. Alternatively, a luxurious silk blouse adds a touch of elegance and softness, creating a beautiful contrast with the blazer's structure. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and fabrics within your separates. A tweed blazer with a silk camisole or a linen blazer over a cotton tee adds visual interest and depth to your outfit. This layering creates a dynamic look. Now let's turn our attention to the A-line skirt. This silhouette is incredibly flattering for curvy figures, offering both comfort and style. It's a shape that truly celebrates your natural curves. The A-line skirt gently skims over your hips and thighs, flowing outwards from the waist. This design creates a balanced and harmonious look, drawing attention to your waistline while gracefully accommodating your lower body. It's incredibly forgiving. You can choose various lengths to suit your preference and the occasion. A knee-length A-line skirt is classic and versatile, perfect for work or everyday wear. A midi-length A-line offers a more contemporary and elegant feel. For pairing, fitted tops work wonderfully with an A-line skirt. A tucked-in sweater creates a cozy yet chic autumn look. A stylish blouse, perhaps with a delicate print, adds sophistication and femininity. Consider a fitted knit top or a sleek bodysuit to maintain a streamlined silhouette. This balance between the fitted top and the flowing skirt creates a flattering proportion. It's all about harmonious lines. Accessories are the unsung heroes of any outfit. They are key to completing your look. They allow you to infuse personality and flair, transforming a simple ensemble into something truly memorable. Don't underestimate their power. Consider a statement necklace to draw attention upwards and add a focal point. A colorful scarf can introduce a pop of color and texture, instantly brightening your face. A stylish belt can cinch your waist and define your shape. These small additions serve a big purpose. They add personality and flair, making your outfit uniquely yours. They are an extension of your individual style, allowing you to express yourself creatively. Investing in a good quality handbag is always a wise decision. A well-chosen bag not only carries your essentials, but also acts as a stylish accent, pulling your entire look together. It's a functional fashion statement. And let's not forget comfortable yet chic shoes. Your footwear choice can dramatically impact both your comfort and the overall vibe of your outfit. Prioritize shoes that feel good and look great. For everyday wear, block heels offer stability and a touch of elevation without sacrificing comfort. Stylish flats, whether ballet flats, loafers, or elegant sneakers, are perfect for busy days when you need to be on the go. Perhaps the most important aspect of any outfit is the fit. No matter how beautiful a garment is, if it doesn't fit well, it won't look its best on you. Fit is truly paramount to looking and feeling chic. Always choose clothes that fit your body well, not too tight and not too loose. Clothes that are too small can feel restrictive and look unflattering, while overly baggy clothes can overwhelm your frame. Avoid the common mistake of squeezing into smaller sizes. Embrace your current size and find pieces that flatter it perfectly. A well-fitting garment will always look more expensive and polished. Opt for fabrics that drape well and move with your body. These materials will flow gracefully over your curves, enhancing your shape without clinging. They create a soft, elegant silhouette. Flattering fabrics include soft jersey, luxurious silk, and breathable linen. These materials offer comfort, elegance, and a beautiful drape. They feel wonderful against your skin and look effortlessly chic. Conversely, avoid overly clingy or stiff fabrics that can be unflattering. Materials that cling to every curve or stand rigidly away from your body can disrupt the flow and comfort of your outfit. Choose wisely. Now let's talk about something truly fun: color and prints. Please don't shy away from incorporating vibrant hues and exciting patterns into your wardrobe. They are powerful tools for self-expression. Color is a fantastic way to express your personality and mood. Whether you love bold brights or subtle pastels, let your wardrobe reflect your inner vibrancy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades. Prints add incredible visual interest to your outfits, breaking up solid blocks of color and adding dynamic energy. From florals to geometrics, there's a print out there for everyone. They can truly transform a look. Experiment with different color palettes to discover what truly makes your skin glow and your eyes sparkle. Try jewel tones, earthy neutrals, or vibrant primary colors. Find what resonates with you. Similarly, experiment with different prints. Start with smaller, more subtle patterns if you're new to prints, then gradually move to bolder designs. Animal prints, stripes, or abstract patterns can be incredibly chic. The key is to find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. If a certain color or print brings a smile to your face and makes you feel empowered, then it's absolutely the right choice for you. Trust your instincts. So, as we wrap up our style journey today, remember these core principles. The key to chic dressing, especially for curvy women over 40, begins with a profound sense of self-acceptance and love. First and foremost, embrace your body in all its magnificent glory. Your curves are beautiful, and your unique shape is something to celebrate. Confidence truly is your best accessory. Next, always choose clothes that fit and flatter your unique silhouette. When your clothes fit well, you feel comfortable, confident, and effortlessly stylish. It makes all the difference in the world. Finally, express your personal style with unwavering confidence. Your wardrobe is a canvas for your personality, your experiences, and your dreams. Let it tell your story. Fashion is not about chasing trends or fitting into a mold. It is fundamentally about feeling good in your own skin, radiating joy and confidence from the inside out. You are beautiful, inside and out.